Overgrown trees and shrubs are an unsightly mess. McIntyre's Tree Service can help you get the most from your landscape by providing your trees and shrubs with the care they need throughout the year. ISA-certified arborists will assess your situation and provide you with prompt, efficient tree maintenance. Whether you need a one-time visit to tame your yard or ongoing consistent tree care, McIntyre's Tree Service is committed to exemplary customer service and enhancing the appearance of your outdoor space. They offer a wide array of residential and commercial services, including tree removal, tree trimming and pruning, tree topping, land clearing, stump grinding, brush removal, and they'll perform a complete debris cleanup before leaving your premises. McIntyre's Tree Service in Saylorsburg. Call today 610-762-0660 or visit them at mcintyre'streeservice.com. Emergency service is available.